Before I left to come camping, I bought this little weather station. You can see the temperature for inside right now, I believe that's correct. And then it gives you 3 sensors that you can put anywhere you want. I'm gonna put one outside and one in the fridge, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the third one, but I'll find a spot. I believe it's also an alarm clock. Had a nice little blue light on it. So I got the first one hooked up. It's outside on top of one of the tires. I'll show you in a minute here. And you can see it showing up in number one. The sensors have a little switch to pick 1, 2, or 3. This is number 2 I got here. I'm gonna stick this one in the fridge, and we'll see how long it takes for it to show up. So it's popped up there now. That sensor was inside the trailer, so the temperature should start to drop down here. So it's been quite a while. I'm quite confident in these numbers. I moved the fridge to sensor number 3. If it was really cold and I was concerned about any of the water freezing, I'd probably use number 2 for that. This trailer does have a thermostat, but it's mixed with the heater control. I just figured it was a good, simple upgrade.